What if I told you that everything you see, touch, and experience is just a reflection? A mirror of one thing, your consciousness. Sounds wild, doesn't it? But it's true. Consciousness isn't just a fancy word tossed around by philosophers. It's the very fabric of your reality. The world and everything in it are nothing more than your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings objectified. Think about it. Every skyscraper started as an idea. Every piece of art began as an image in someone's mind. Even the chair you're sitting on was once just a thought. That's the power of consciousness. And here's the kicker. It's not just the cause of your world. It's the substance too. Your consciousness is the canvas, the paint, and the artist all rolled into one. Now let's break it down. Consciousness is like a stream with two parts. The conscious mind is the surface. It's personal, selective, and logical. It decides what to focus on. But the subconscious mind, that's the deep, powerful undercurrent. It's impersonal and non-selective, accepting whatever the conscious feeds it. Together, they're the ultimate dream team. The conscious generates ideas. The subconscious takes those ideas and brings them to life. If the conscious mind is the architect, the subconscious is the builder. It's the womb of creation, the place where your thoughts and feelings gestate until they're born into the world. But here's the thing. The subconscious doesn't care if what you feed it is good or bad, true or false, happy or sad. It just takes what it's given and gets to work. Imagine planting a seed in a garden. The soil doesn't argue. It doesn't say, "Wait, is this a rose or a weed?" It just nurtures the seed until it grows. That's exactly how the subconscious works. It doesn't originate ideas. It doesn't judge. It simply receives and expresses whatever the conscious impresses upon it. And how do you impress ideas onto the subconscious? Through feeling, that's right. Feeling is the secret ingredient. No idea can take root without it. You can think, visualize, or affirm all day long, but without emotion, it's like trying to grow a plant in concrete. Feelings are the lifeblood of creation, but be warned. The subconscious doesn't just create what you want, it creates what you feel. So if you're constantly worrying, doubting, or regretting, guess what? The subconscious takes those feelings and manifests them too. It's not picky, it's powerful, and it's always listening. Here's the good news. You have control. Yes, you. You're not at the mercy of random events or some predestined fate. You're the captain of your ship, the master of your destiny, and the key to controlling your subconscious? Controlling your ideas and feelings. Now let's get one thing straight. Controlling your feelings doesn't mean suppressing them. It doesn't mean bottling them up until they explode. It means choosing what you allow yourself to dwell on. It means disciplining your mind to focus on thoughts that uplift and empower you. Because every thought you dwell on, every emotion you feel, makes an impression on the subconscious. And every impression becomes your reality. Think about it. If you want to live a happy, successful life, you need to feel happy and successful now. Not someday. Not when things get better. But right now. Because the subconscious doesn't understand someday. It only knows now. What you feel in this moment is what it creates. So ask yourself, what are you feeling right now? Are you dwelling on your desires or your doubts? Are you focusing on possibilities or problems? Whatever you choose to feel, the subconscious will make it so. Control your feelings, and you control your world. It's that simple. And that powerful. Sleep is not merely a period of rest. It is an essential gateway to your subconscious mind, the fertile ground where the seeds of your desires take root and grow. Every night, as you drift off into unconsciousness, your conscious mind releases its grip, and the subconscious becomes entirely receptive. It is during this transition that the impressions you leave behind begin to shape your reality. What you carry into sleep, your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs, acts as a blueprint for the subconscious to manifest in the waking world. The subconscious is not selective. It faithfully accepts what the conscious mind feeds it, whether intentional or careless. This is why sleep is a critical tool in the process of creation. In those final moments before you fall asleep, your mind becomes a sculptor, shaping the clay of your reality. If you approach sleep with frustration, doubt, or fear, these emotions are impressed on the subconscious and they will find their way into your life. But if you consciously assume the feeling of your desires fulfilled, sleep becomes a powerful ally in transforming your inner visions into external experiences. Preparation is the key to using sleep as a tool for transformation. It begins with cultivating a deliberate state of mind before bed. Avoid letting the events of the day dictate your mood as you prepare to sleep. The day's challenges and frustrations do not belong in the sacred space of rest. Instead, take control of your mental state by shifting your focus to what you desire to create. Start by finding a quiet moment to relax your body and clear your mind. Lie flat on your back, ensuring your head is level with your body. Close your eyes and begin to imagine the feeling of your wish fulfilled. How would you feel if your deepest desire were already a reality? Allow this feeling to consume you, to dominate your thoughts. Do not focus on the how or when of achieving your goal. These details are irrelevant to the subconscious. Simply immerse yourself in the sensation of success, happiness, or fulfillment, and let these emotions saturate your being. This practice is not about forcing your will. It is about yielding to the state you wish to embody. Think of it as planting a seed. You do not dig it up every moment to check if it is growing. You trust the process, knowing that the seed will sprout in due time. Similarly, as you fall asleep, trust that the feeling you hold will be impressed upon your subconscious and that it will take shape in the physical world. Every night is an opportunity to rewrite the script of your life. The period before sleep is not just a time to reflect on the day, it is a creative workshop where you craft the blueprint for your future. By aligning your feelings with your desires, you can turn each night into a transformative experience. The subconscious mind operates like a loyal servant, faithfully manifesting the dominant impressions it receives. If you consistently use sleep to affirm your desires, you create a cumulative effect that reshapes your circumstances over time. Small, consistent changes in how you approach sleep can lead to profound shifts in your external reality. Think of sleep as a bridge between the conscious and the subconscious. As you prepare to cross this bridge each night, bring with you only what you want to see reflected in your life. Leave behind doubt, fear, and negativity, for they have no place on the other side. Instead, carry feelings of gratitude, accomplishment, and joy. These emotions act as powerful catalysts for change, fueling the subconscious to work tirelessly on your behalf. Sleep is not just a passive state, it is a dynamic process that holds the power to transform your life. By using the moments before sleep to align with your highest aspirations, you harness one of the most potent tools for personal growth and success. Each night is an opportunity, each dream is a step closer to the life you desire. So ask yourself, what will you bring with you tonight? At its core, prayer is an act of imagination. It is not a request to a distant force, but a rehearsal of the life you want to live. To pray is to enter a state of mind where you feel the wish fulfilled. Ask yourself, how would it feel if my desires were already realized? The answer to that question is the foundation of effective prayer. When you assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you bypass doubts and fears. This feeling becomes a command to your subconscious, which begins working tirelessly to bring your imagined reality to life. Prayer is most effective when it is personal and specific. General wishes lack the emotional intensity to leave an impression on the subconscious. Instead, focus on a vivid mental scene that represents the fulfillment of your desire. See it in detail, feel the joy or satisfaction it would bring, and embrace the sense of accomplishment. This inner rehearsal trains your mind to accept the new reality as true. Once the subconscious accepts it, the outer world must reflect it. Effective prayer requires more than fleeting thoughts or wishful thinking. It demands focus, discipline, and emotional investment. Start by finding a quiet space where you can eliminate distractions. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Relax your body and mind, allowing tension to melt away. This state of calm is essential for creating the fertile ground where your prayer can take root. Next, visualize your desired outcome with clarity and conviction. Imagine yourself already in possession of what you want. Feel the emotions that accompany this state: gratitude, joy, relief, or excitement. The stronger the emotional connection, the more powerfully your prayer will influence the subconscious. Remember, it is not enough to think about your desire. You must feel as though it is already yours. Timing also plays a crucial role. The moments just before sleep are particularly potent for prayer. In this state, your conscious mind relaxes, and the subconscious becomes more receptive. Use this time to replay your imagined scene, immersing yourself in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Repeat this practice nightly, allowing the impression to deepen and strengthen over time. Prayer is not confined to specific moments or rituals. It is a way of being, a continuous alignment with your desired reality. As you go about your day, carry the spirit of prayer with you. Let your thoughts and feelings reflect the state you want to manifest. Instead of reacting to circumstances, respond with the awareness that your inner world shapes your outer experience. Guard your mind against negative emotions and limiting beliefs. Every thought and feeling contributes to the mental environment that your subconscious absorbs. Choose to dwell on the positive, the uplifting, and the empowering. When challenges arise, remind yourself of your ultimate goal. Reaffirm your vision with unwavering faith, knowing that the process is already underway. Gratitude is a vital component of prayer in everyday life. By appreciating what you already have, you create a vibration of abundance that attracts more of what you desire. Celebrate small victories and milestones as evidence that your prayer is being answered. This attitude not only strengthens your belief, but also keeps you aligned with the feeling of fulfillment